Hi everyone. Welcome back to Amateurs Let's Begin, where we explore easy-to-follow tutorials on SwiftUI, Xcode, and iOS development. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental concepts of SwiftUI, at state. By the end of this video, you'll understand what at state is, why it's important for building reactive UIs, how to use it with a practical demo to make your app dynamic and interactive. Let's get started. What is at state? In SwiftUI, at state is a property wrapper that lets us create local, mutable state variables for a view. These variables hold data that changes over time, like a counter or a toggle state. Automatically trigger UI updates whenever the state value changes. Think of at state as the engine that drives the interactivity in your app. If a view depends on a state variable and that variable changes, SwiftUI re-renders the view automatically. Why do we use at state? Here are 3 reasons why at state is so important. Reactive UI, no need to manually update your UI, it happens automatically. Local data management, ideal for keeping track of temporary data within a view. Ease of use, simple syntax makes your code readable and manageable. 3. Setting up a at state variable. Let's go through a basic example to see at state in action. In case you want to know more about stack layouts, you can watch my video suggested over screen. Let's break this down step by step. 1. At state private var count equals 0. This declares a state variable named count and initializes it to 0. The @state keyword tells SwiftUI to watch this variable for changes. 2. Text, count. This text view dynamically displays the value of count. 3. Button, action, count plus equals 1. The button increments the count by 1 when clicked. When count changes, SwiftUI automatically redraws the text view to show the updated value. This automatic UI update is what makes SwiftUI so powerful. You don't have to write additional code to refresh or redraw the screen, everything is managed seamlessly by SwiftUI. Here's another common use case of @state. Let's build a simple toggle switch. Here is code explanation. 1. The @state variable ISON tracks whether the toggle is switched on or off. 2. The $is on binding links the state to the toggle. 3. The text view dynamically shows feature is on or feature is off depending on the state. Here are a few tips for working with @state. 1. Use it for local state only. If multiple views need access to the data, use @state object or @environment object instead. 2. Keep it simple. Avoid storing large or complex objects in @state. 3. Combine it with bindings. Use the $symbol to bind state variables to UI elements like sliders, text fields, or toggles. And that's it. Now you understand what @state is in SwiftUI, how it's used to build reactive UIs, how SwiftUI seamlessly handles UI updates based on state changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials to continue your SwiftUI journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.